Alrighty, what's going on, appreneurs? Christopher Wilson here, and I'm going to address a question that a friend of mine had about the background image. What size should you use for your background image? And specifically, he asked me about the coronavirus news app, and he wanted to know the size of the background image that I use for this app. Now, and want to mention too that this a dear friend of mine, Randy, we were making lots of money a while back making apps. So anyway, he has that question: what size is this image for the background image? Now, if you look at the new Andromo platform, okay, it has an emulator here, okay, and it shows you the background image that's added, and it's right here. But that's not necessarily how it's going to look on your app, okay? As a matter of fact, I may have to take a screenshot and show you. As a matter of fact, that may be better. Let's do that. How it's going to look on your app. I did take some screenshots. But the image size is, what I use is 800 by 480, okay? Now, okay, come on, computer. Okay, sorry about that. But the way it looks on the emulator is not how it's going to look on your phone. It's going to look, matter of fact, I'll show you. It's going to look like this. Because these are my phone screenshots. And you can tell that's a difference from your phone right here to your app. See, it doesn't show the complete full size of it. And what Andromo does, it actually truncates the size for you. But on the phone, it's not going to look like this, where you only get like a piece of, I guess, the germ icon, germ, I guess. It's going to look like this. And let's open this up. Let's open up one of these. And I'll show you. On your phone, it's going to look like this. Okay, so you can see the difference here. Let's move this over. Okay, so it's not going to look like that on your phone. And I believe this is an iPhone emulator anyway. No, it's not. It's an Android. But anyway, it's going to look like this. Okay, where you get a little more of the little germ there, I guess. Okay, so and that's how it looks on the emulator. So when you're making your app, the size I use is 800 by 480. Okay, for your background image. So just answering your question, brother Randy, that's the size that you need. And yeah, matter of fact, I can show you something else with that. Here's the actual image. And that's 800 by 480. That one's 800 by 480. Actually, that's a JPG and that's a PNG. But yeah, that's the size that's going to look. That's the size I used. Okay. But whatever size you use is going to truncate it anyway. Okay. So keep that in mind. Okay. Christopher Wilson signing off. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Remember to hit that like button. And if you're on YouTube and you watch it, remember to hit that share button, share it, to the various social media networks, and I'll see you later.